Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing with you guys some of the items that I got off of Amazon recently. So I have half of my package that arrived today that I'm going to share with you guys, and when the other comes in it'll be towards the end of this video. So first thing, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. First thing that I am unboxing is my blue MacBook case bundle. This comes with not only the top cover and the bottom cover, but also comes with a cloth to clean the screen. It also comes with a screen protector. It also comes with a keyboard case, and it also comes with another cloth that is going to help keep the case from being greasy and dirty. So I did order the blue one. I will also have the orange one linked in my description box right along with all of these other items that you see in this video. I also picked up some phone chargers for iPhones, because every time you turn around we're either losing one or needing one in separate areas. I also bought a AirPod pink case that I wanted to put on my AirPods just so I know where they are at all times. So just make sure that you're buying the correct AirPod case along with the correct MacBook case. So look on the back of your computer when buying. I also picked up some camera lens for my iPhone 12 that'll come in the mail in a couple days. And I also bought this 3-in-1 charging station that is going to charge my AirPods, Apple Watch, and iPhone all in one. And I like that I can keep everything all together. It comes with a cord and a brick to charge it, and it also comes with the charging station that you have to put together. So it's very easy and simple to assemble. I will have this linked in my description box down below, and I definitely can highly recommend this as it does charge all three in one. And this is something that you could put beside your bed. You also could put in your living room at your computer desk, or also just take it with you to work. I also like the fact that everything is easy to assemble with that, because not only do you want to be able to charge your iPhone, your watch, and your AirPods really quickly, this is definitely going to help you. Next, I also got some headbands. These are Huachi. So these are like the little bunny rabbit headbands. I have like yellow, blue, red, pink, green. I have orange, white, black. I have all the colors that you guys can see here. They are really, really adorable, and I like the fact that there is more than one color for me to wear with different color outfits. Next, Amazon came back and bought back the cleats that I had bought for Sky for her soccer. So these are the cleats that I bought her, and I definitely want to get her to try these on. Sky, come here. Today I'm going to be unboxing everything that I got off of Amazon. So I have 1, 2, 3 boxes, a couple of bags, and then one thing that was not in the bag. So with that being said, I'll start with the first big box, and all of these items will be linked in the description box down below. First things first, I have some men's crew tees, small. This is what they look like when they're outside of the pack. So it looks like we have like gray, black, and like a darker gray. I have a beach toy box. This is for ages 3+. It looks like, so on the inside of this, there are some toys here, and hopefully they don't fall out. But that is what it is. Comes with a big bag that these could fit in, and then of course, like, enough to put on the shoulders and stuff like that. Ordered those ahead of time so I can get rid of the other ones that I don't need. This is these are the 4-piece blue pillowcases that I ordered for spring. I also have a set of yellow coming. These are the 18 by 18 ones. Trying to see. Okay, so then the zippers on this side, and you just slide the pillow into it. I also have an orange umbrella. This is something that should just always be stored. I need to keep one in my car, so I have an orange one. And then I also ordered Uno's Stacko. This is what I wanted to order for vacation last year. Didn't get the chance to order it. This is going to be so fun. Family game nights are always the best. Let's see. Here I have in my laptop stand. It's going to look like this. It's actually red, so I can put it over and just like put my computer up. I just don't have time to take it out. This Future Plus. Alright, so in here, I've already torn it up. That's a-okay. So I have some better beach stuff. This is like little bags where the kids could find seashells, put them in. So I have pink, I have dark blue, and I have light blue. And then of course I also have like some other toys, some shovels in 3 different colors. And then there is a stack of beach pails that go along with these that are collapsible. So that's the good thing about these, and I'll show you guys one. So literally collapsible to where you just push it in and then just take it with you. And you can easily just push it back down and store them. Also, I have a wax melter kit for candle making. I bought this to try and make wax melts. Instead of trying to do like the earrings and stuff, I felt like it'd be better for business wise trying to do this, especially trying to sell something like Scenty. So all of the items that you guys see is what comes in the pack. So I have 10 wick clips, which are these. I have 1 spoon, and then I have a thermometer, and then it also comes with the melting pot, and then the electric stove, some candle wicks, and then just the rubber pads. Also, I needed a new one, so we got a new pink bed railing. The other one is coming apart, so I'll do next box. Alright, so in the next box I simply just picked out a AirPod case. This one is the milk tea, which is, you know, my favorite thing to drink. Got some little things where I can make the wax melts and put them in here. These were like $5.99 for like a 100-pack. That color. And then I also have a 2-pack of the wax piece mold, so they're not too big, not too small. And then in the next box, alright, so in the next box I bought the kiddos backpacks for vacation. They're just simply like this. I could iron on the names if I really wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. So these are like 23 or 24, but they're really, really cute, small. The kids could easily put their water bottles on the side. They have a front pocket for like anything they get out of like the gift shop, souvenirs, places or whatever. And then of course like just to pack something extra in here, like a shirt or like a pair of pants or something. And then a orange waterproof case. This is, like I said, it's orange. You want to make sure that you have one of these when you're, alright, so I have an orange, what? Alright, so here's the orange case. On the inside of it, there is all of the things that you're going to need, like the string. And I would say that this is definitely fully supported because it feels like I'm also having a hard time squeezing it. And then, yeah, like I said, the string is on the inside, which is orange as well. So I got that. And then I also picked up the Sandaway Beach. This is just a large tote where I could take a lot of different things with me. So I'll put the picture here of what it's supposed to look like. Then again, it is right here. And then I also picked up some argan oil. This is supposed to help with like when I blow dry my hair and put heat on it. So just some argan oil. Alright, I'll start opening up these bags. So in this one, I got Cam some swim shoes. This is like a size 5'6". They are simply definitely durable, I can tell you that. and they look just like this. They have sharks on them. It's just something simple for the beach. Like I said, I wanted it to be durable, and I'm telling you. Next bag, just I got a smaller one. In here, there are some travel bags. These little travel bags are Monday through Sunday, and there's 2 of each. So that way when I plan out the kids' outfit this year for vacation, at least there's like an outfit in each bag, and it'll be easier to put into the luggage cases because we have those packing cubes. So like we have Monday, there's 2 of Monday, there's 2 of Tuesday, etc, etc. So like $6 for 14 of these, why not? The thing about it is like they zip. In this bag here, alright, so I got this big one right here, it says travel. Then I have this peach looking one that says beach. They are simply just something that I can fill certain things with. Like if I want to put my camera stuff in here, I can do that. If I want to put some stuff that I'm going to need at the beach in here, I can do that as well. So those were only like $6 or $7 each too. I think that these are really, really cute, and they're going to be durable to have. Shoe protectors. So these are clear. I'll show you guys one. So what you could do is simply just put your shoes in here to take to the beach. Simply like this. Maybe not these big of clogs, but it's what's close. So you put them down in here, and it's going to keep your shoes from getting dirty or anything along the way. Close it up. I have one bathing suit that I think that I got from Amazon. I hope that it fits. I really, really do. I definitely will have to give it a try. This is just simply a one piece. That's the back. All right, so this is the front. So this is just a one piece. I liked it because it had like the yellow and some like of the orange, to where I can wear the yellow and orange sandals with this, and then the back part is crisscrossed, and then it just has the back out, and then the bottom piece is open. I also got a pineapple like little backpack. This is something that I can use, so it is nice and big. Drawstring, I can put it on my back, adjust it the way that I want. I also can put my water on the side when going to you know, shopping, or whether we're just walking down to the beach. I can put my stuff in this bag instead of having to take a huge big bag. So not only does it have a pocket on the side, has another pocket on the side. There's also an opening part right here where I can put some stuff in the back part, and then there is a front part where I can put some small things at, and then there's the inside, which also has another zipper part. And in the last bag, last but not least, for today's video, I did order a dress from Amazon. I think that this was like one of the ones that I had been eyeing for a good while. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully it fits. And it is just simply a long dress that'll go down, and the colors are like this. There are pockets on the side, which is really great because I do like dresses with pockets just in case. Adorable long dress. A welcome yard decor flag that I just am gonna hang outside. This just says welcome, and spring will be here. It just says hello spring. I'm gonna put that outside on my little flag thing. So I have 2 dry bags. One is yellow, one is orange. They look like this here. So we have the yellow one right here, which I ordered for Chuck. And not only did this yellow bag, I got the pink one for a river trip last year or a year before, and I got a free phone holder. So anyways, it comes with this strap. This is what it looks like. You have your strap. This is the part where like you can just simply hold it if you need to, and then you have your strap pieces, which are right here. And once you put whatever it is you want to put down in here, everything is gonna get kept dry. You put whatever you want to put down in here, hold it down, and then you lock it. no water or whatever gets in your bag. So like if you're going to an amusement park, this is something that I would buy, because you're, you know, like if you get on water rides, or if you're just doing like, you don't want to leave your stuff laying around. So comes with a strap and a phone case. That's such a plus. So I have orange and yellow dry bags. So in here I have some of the yellow pillowcases that I told you about. So I have the blue, and then I have the yellow. So the yellow is more like a fuzzy type of yellow. Has the zipper where I can open it up to put the pillows in. So it comes with a set of just 2. And last but not least, in this bag I did get the detangler combs or brushes. So I have a 3-pack. I have blue, black, and pink to look just like this. So I hope that you all have enjoyed watching to see what it is I got from Amazon. All of these items will be linked in my description box down below, so definitely check it out and see if there is something that you know you need, and put it on your list. Order it, get it today.